I get bit by mosquitoes all the time. I must be super sweet. And so I bought this bug bite thing from Amazon, and I also just got bit by a mosquito, so this is a perfect time to try it out. So this is great for wasp, bee stings, mosquitoes, and so much more. So all you have to do is push on this and then pull it out, and this helps to relieve the itch that the venom and the saliva of the stinger does. So let's try this out. So what you do is push it down first, apply it to the area, and then pull it up. Oh, I can feel the suction already. And then you push it down a little bit to release it. And there you go. So this is a close-up of what it looks like, and this is where I just got the mosquito bite. So I'm gonna put it down, and then you're gonna pull it up, and you can feel the suction already. And this is sucking out all the venom that is inside that's making me itch. So then once I release it, there you go. And now it feels better already. And there's also another area that you can use like this, and you can put it on. And this is gonna be for more centralized. So you push this down, and then you pull on it. And there you go. This removes the insect's venom, saliva, and the irritants that's causing under your skin surface. Another nice thing, this is free of chemicals and easy to use, and you don't have to use any creams, and it's also kid-friendly too. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, and the hive that it had produced is now lower. This really does work. So this is compact and very easy to carry. And it also has scrapers on the side, just in case you get stung by a bee, then you can just scrape it off. And as a matter of fact, 2 weeks ago, I did get stung by the bee. So that's why I picked this up, as well as for mosquitoes, because I'm always getting stung daily. They just love me. So this is the bug bite thing. Definitely recommend it already. It's feeling less itchy, so I believe it works. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.